Welcome back to the channel. In this video I pull the inner guard out and inspect the rust, and also pull the battery tray section out. Alright, so I just got this inner guard out from the right hand side. It's actually not too bad. And have a look at all the stuff that come out. Alright, so I've just got the inner guard here out. Just having a look. Actually doesn't look too bad. The bottom looks okay. There's no rust holes anywhere in the bottom. But up the top looks a bit, doesn't look too flash. So it looks like I might have to drill this guard off. Yeah, there's a hole under there. The top rail. Way back there, looks like there might be a bit of hole too. Not looking forward to fixing that. Yeah, missing a part there. Alright, so I'm just starting to drill this battery tray area off. Spent a bit of time drilling it here and there. Purchased the wrong size spot weld drill bit, so I'll eventually grab a 13mm that I've flattened out, sharpened, and do the rest of the drilling. And then I pretty much get over it and just cut it off. So yeah, obviously there's still more to cut out. I've just done it like this to basically get most of the rust out. I'll probably trim up, make things a bit squarer and straighter for when I go to make up the pieces to go back in. And also I'm probably going to make it look like the other side, smooth it out a bit. And might have some type of filter section maybe for the turbos on the sides. We'll see how I go. Just got the inner guard, the battery tray out. Did a bit of drilling and then basically cut it out. Also I've cut down this lower section here. It was basically rusty everywhere. Here's one of the bits. So that's the lower part there, the rail, part of the rail there. Looks like it's seen better days. And then the battery tray area. Not as rusty, but don't need it in there. Battery will be in the boot. Alright, I think that is the end for this video. I'm hoping to get into the fab side of things very soon. I would really like to get into doing the turbo manifolds and getting the motor fired up, but should really focus on the front end first. Anyways, if you'd like to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.